So we are allowed to do a lot of things on the balance beam, and I'll start with the forward and backward travel, and that is where students can just walk forward or backward down the balance beam. Next, we can do sliding. Sliding is where students can move sideways down the balance beam. Students can do toe to heel. That's where a student moves down the balance beam 1 foot at a time, going from toe to heel each time they step. A dip walk is where students are allowed to dip their leg down the side of the beam each time they take a step. Knee scale is where students are allowed to bring their knees down to the beam each time they step, kind of like a lunge. Students are allowed to do a pose. Students are allowed to hold any kind of pose that they want in the middle of the beam. They can make their own poses up as long as they're being safe. One of my challenging poses is that students try to sit down in the middle of the beam and do a V-up, and then try to stand back up and then finish walking down the beam. Dismounts, when students do jump off the beam, they're allowed to just jump off. They're allowed to jump and spin, so they can do 180-degree spins or they can do 360-degree dismounts. I have had students do cartwheels off the balance beam, but these are students that are very experienced tumblers.